You cut the potato and put into water. Otherwise it will become black. That was potato, now it is tomato. Slice the tomato or cut into pieces. You took 2 big tomatoes and 1 potato, right? Now it is green pepper. You don't cut it, you just break it into pieces. Now it is spring onions cut into pieces. Cut 1 green chili. Put 1 frying pan on the stove. Add light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon into a bowl. That is oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Add bit of water and mix properly. Add bit of oil into the frying pan. Add the cut spring onion into the frying pan. Put Chinese spices, about 2 teaspoons, and add the cut potato, squeezing the water out. And that is the Chinese